Hi, welcome to this new video on Deep Sea DAO, a brand new Olympus DAO fork. They're offering an APY which is so huge we can't even read it, with 22 zeros. It's already a red flag. I am Crypto AV and today I will cover what is Deep Sea DAO, how to make money on it, should you invest in this DAO? What is Deep Sea DAO? It's the decentralized reserve currency of Yonaguni. Deep Sea DAO has built its decentralized store of value in the depths of the Avalanche Ocean in Yonaguni. The kingdom of Yunaguni is led by our DAO and by the whole community. Every important decision will be made according to the choices of the DAO. Trust Yonaguni and you will be rewarded. You can join their community on Twitter, Discord, and learn more on Medium. Why investing in this store value? Stable currencies are everything we don't like to see. They are centralized and often manipulated. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies suffer from market crashes and manipulations that are quite common in this world. Therefore, your money is always at risk. Their main token C already dropped from $90 to now $2, so for the moment, this is even riskier. How do they operate? They operate in the same way as our beloved Olympus DAO. To make it very simple, here is a little explanation. Bond sales and LP fees increase treasury revenue and lock in liquidity and help control deep sea supply. Treasury inflow is used to increase treasury balance and back outstanding C tokens and regulate staking APY. C tokens compounds yields automatically through a treasury-backed currency with intrinsic value. The C token ecosystem. The initial liquidity is $115,000. With an initial public price of $50, which would have not been bad if you could have sold the token at $90, but if you haven't, you're now ruined because the price is at $2. And it's multisig, which is good to know. There were 110 TriQ spots and 115 human spots. Those were allocations to be able to buy the token before the launch. With the TriQ status, you could have bought C token at $2, and with the Yunan status, you could have bought C tokens at $4. This is one of the reasons why the price crashed, because people were able to have the token at a very low price and it went up to $90. So many people sold to be able to make a very nice profit. Let's enter the app now. If you want to buy the token C, you can buy it here over this button. Just click buy on Trader Joe. Then this will import the token automatically. Just click I understand and continue. Now connect your wallet and you will be able to swap any token on the Avalanche network to C tokens. And here you add the tokens to your wallet. The total value locked here is not a lot. Not many people know about this DAO, and this is why I am talking about it today. But this DAO has nothing unique, it's just another Olympus DAO fork which has a 99% chance of being a scam. The current index is 0.7 C, and with the current APY you get an ROI of 93% in 5 days by staking C tokens, which is really interesting. If you want to stake, just input how many C token you want to stake and click approve. And here you can unstake. Let's go to the dashboard. The price of C is at $2.2. Let's quickly check the charts. On the day of the launch, the 29th of December, the price went up to $98 and we're now at a low price of $2.2. This is how the DAOs perform in most cases. Entering the first day on a DAO is a bad move unless you can get the pre-sale price. The market cap of the token C is at $140,000. It will probably go down even more. The treasury balance has just over $200,000. The backing per C token is stronger than the actual price. And the runway is only 14 days. We've seen worse, but the APY will drop fast. You can also buy the token C here. In the bonds section, CMIM LP is offering a minus 24% ROI, which is truly interesting if you want to lose money. But if you want to make money, MIM is offering an 18% ROI. Just click Mint. Put how many tokens you want to buy, and the vesting term is only 1 day, which is much lower than other Olympus DAO fork. That's good. Then here you can redeem your rewards and auto stake if you want. Now let's go to the calculator. Put in how many tokens you want to stake and it will show you the potential return. It has the Lambo feature too, just like 99% of the forks. With $2,290, I apparently can make $119,000 in 30 days. That would be great, but the reality is that you will probably lose all of your money. Those calculators are only for entertainment. If you participated in the pre-sale, you can claim your tokens here. Now let's check their docs. The multi-sig will be handled by Musin on Twitter. He definitely knows what he's doing, but the audit will be made by him, which I guess is less expensive than an audit company. It's a little concerning that just one guy is checking the code. They don't have much more on their docs. They could have made a much better effort. This is a total joke. In conclusion, should you invest here? I just want to note that this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. But absolutely not. No, you should not invest in this DAO. It is nothing special. It's just another Olympus DAO and it doesn't bring any innovative ideas in the crypto space. You've got money to lose, okay fine, you can try to stake because the APY and the 5 days ROI are interesting and the price already crashed, but this would be a short-term investment. But I do not recommend it. The audit is not made yet and it will be done by one guy. The team behind the DAO is anonymous so they can run with your money. This DAO looks like a scam to me. If you would like to have updates on this DAO, you should join them on Twitter. They have over 3,800 followers. Please let me know in the comments which DAO I should review next. Like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to not miss any new crypto gem. I promise a new video on DeFi project every single day. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.